Finding job as a virtual assistant can be very challenging, and it can be very impossible. So I'm going to walk you through various websites or platforms on which you can find job as a virtual assistant. Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Because in today's video I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can get job offer, or on how you can get hired as a virtual assistant even without no experience. If you are a sit-at-home mom, a parent, or even a 9 to 5 worker looking for a way to level your source of income, this video is for you, because all you need to do is just to be working from home and all of those stuff. So before I get started to tell you the various platforms or sites that you can get hired as a virtual assistant, I want to tell you who a virtual assistant is. A virtual assistant is a self-employed worker who specialize in offering administrative services to clients, especially from a home. Do you understand? You don't need to leave your house. You can just offer any help to clients when you are at home. Sorry, the various tasks that a virtual assistant managing emails, making phone calls, booking appointments, and planning travels for your clients. So I'm going to walk you through various ways on which you can get hired with no experience as a virtual assistant. Number one is freelance platform. Website like Upwork, Fiverr, and freelance allows you to create a profile and bid on virtual assistant jobs, because many clients are willing to hire you for a simple task. So number two is job board. Website like Indeed, remote.co, FlexJob offer a list of virtual assistants. So you just need to go to those websites and you can just type on how to get hired as a virtual assistant with no experience. Use some specific keyword like that that's related to what you're searching for, or how to find a suitable virtual assistant job with no prior experience, and you're going to see list of jobs there which you can actually apply. And if you get hired. Number one is social media. So you can also use social media to find a work or to get hired as a virtual assistant. So you just need to join a group related to what you want, like all those, like any group related to all of those stuff. Or you can also join a group on LinkedIn. Do you understand? Because these two websites, they have a higher chance of you being hired by a client. Okay, so you like, because you never know who is there, you might meet your prospect client there. So you just need to be joining as many groups as you want. That's the third one. I mean, number four on my list is internship. So you just need to look for a virtual assistant internships or volunteers position, because this could actually lead to your future, or this could actually lead for you to get paid in the future. Like, what I mean by internship is just that maybe, like, if you find a person or a place that you can fix in order for it to offer the services you have as a virtual assistant, you can do it not for the money, you can just do it for free. Do you understand? And at the long run, these people will see that this person is doing good, or you just do in order for you to get review. Do you understand? Can just, okay, can I work in your company or your organization as a virtual assistant? And when you work, it mustn't necessarily be because of the money. You just do it because you have passion for it. And at the end of the day, you ask them to, like, give you a good review, because sometimes you want to apply for a job, customer need all these reviews, right? They need all this review from your previous clients, and where they want to know if you have worked as a virtual assistant before, and they also need all this review. So you just need to do all of those stuff like that. And definitely in the future, this free job or this free offer might also turn to a paid or virtual assistant. They might also turn to pay you. That's what I mean. Another one on my list is skill development. So you just need to take online courses or certification in relevant areas like administrative tasks, customer service, or social media management. Then website like Coursera, Udemy, LinkedIn offers you an affordable opportunity that you can use to learn all those courses. Another one on my list is personal network. Okay, how is this done? So let your friends, your family, your acquaintances knows that you are a virtual assistant and you are also looking for a virtual assistant work, because personal referral can also lead to job opportunities, right? Okay, let's assume for an instance you are a virtual assistant and I don't know about it. You just need to come to me and tell me, oh, this is what I'm doing, I'm looking for a client. In case you've seen any, let me know, right? So that will help me to reach as many people as I want, and I might come across I might come across an opportunity one day that needs that kind of offer. That what I just need to tell the person is that okay, so person needs this job, or I have a friend that can do it. And before you know, personal recommendation or personal networking can also gives you a job opportunity to become a virtual assistant. So if at this point you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I don't know what you are waiting for. So just click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and also like the video before I will give you the last part of you being offered as a virtual assistant. So the last on my list is creating an attractive profile and resume. So how to create, if you don't know how to create a resume or a portfolio, so you can leave that in the comment section, and I'm going to make use of that. Because when somebody, or like when you tell somebody that I'm a virtual assistant, the person wants to see your resume. We want to know people we have worked with before. We want to know how you do your work, all of those. So if you don't have a good resume, if you have all the old skills in this life and your resume is not okay, guys, trust me, you are going nowhere. So guys, that's the end of this tutorial. Let me know if you find this video helpful, and also do it to like this video, share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave your comment in the comment section if there's anything probably you want me to make a video on, and I will do just that. So guys, bye, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Let me know if you have tried all those steps and you're able to get your first client. I'll be so glad. It will be my pleasure. All right guys, bye, see you in my next video.